Agritourism is a name for something that's been happening forever. And the sort of return to that, I mean, all over the world really, is a way that demonstrates that people are more and more engaged in their food system, and the fact that folks who aren't working in the food world are looking to spend their time off, that they're looking to be on a farm, I think really speaks to this increase of interest in participating in a food system, even when you're not actively a part of it in your day-to-day life, other than being an eater.
Basically, our work is to support the providers of our good, safe food. Work on action programs, work with the communities, find out what they need, what they want to do, what they feel like teaching. All this is important to them and to us to collaborate in ways that everybody's happy.
We're actually also growing our ingredients in our restaurants and showing the cooks how to grow the food in a more permanent way and sustainable way.
I think tasting things is just the biggest thing I can drive home about where we've seen success in our sort of desire around experiential education around our work, because that's just such a tangible, palpable experience folks can have.
Food is medicine, and we really believe that. So we're trying to make food that is delicious, that speaks about our culture, and to promote agriculture to this side of the world.